Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Sou SouShanu. Today I am going to show easy and simple oil pastel drawings for beginners. For this I need A4 size paper and a oil pastels box, pencil and eraser. As it's an Independence Day drawing, I am going to use orange, light green, lemon yellow, white, dark green. These are the colors what I need for the drawing. Finally, I'm done with the drawing. These are the other two drawings what I made for Independence Day. I hope you like my drawings. Happy Independence Day!